What if I told you that you could transform your life in just 7 minutes? Would you believe me? Well, let me tell you a secret. The key to transformation isn't found in grand gestures or drastic changes. It's found in the quiet moments of self-reflection, in the questions we dare to ask ourselves. Imagine a simple question. What makes me truly happy? Seems straightforward, right? But dive deeper and you'll find it's not so easy. This question pushes us to explore our values, passions, and dreams. And that's where the magic happens. Take, for instance, a friend of mine. She was stuck in a job she hated, living a life she felt was unfulfilling. But when she asked herself, what do I really want? She found the courage to change her path. Today, she's a successful entrepreneur living her dream. Ask yourself the hard questions. Reflect, explore. The power to change your life lies within you. And it starts with asking the right questions. Have you ever considered the power of gratitude? It is often underestimated, yet it holds an incredible ability to transform our perspective and enrich our lives. The act of acknowledging our blessings can greatly enhance our mental well-being and breed positivity. Imagine waking up each day and starting off with a simple gratitude exercise. You could write down 3 things you're grateful for. They could be as grand as the love of your family or as simple as the warmth of the morning sun on your face. This practice of keeping a gratitude journal can create a ripple effect of positivity in your life. As your mind begins to focus on the positives, you'll find yourself less troubled by the negatives. Every challenge will start to look like an opportunity for growth, and every setback, a lesson learned. So let's embrace the art of gratitude and watch as our lives transform. Remember, a grateful heart is a magnet for miracles. How strong is your resilience muscle? Imagine resilience as a muscle, one that can be strengthened with the right exercises. Resilience is the capacity to recover quickly from difficulties, to bounce back from the blows life deals us. It's not about avoiding these blows, but learning to deal with them effectively. Developing a positive mindset is a key exercise in building this muscle. It's about seeing challenges, not as insurmountable obstacles, but as opportunities for growth. Remember, every setback is a setup for a comeback. Another crucial aspect of resilience is seeking support when needed. Don't isolate yourself in tough times. Reach out to friends, family, or professionals. Sharing your burden often makes it lighter. Resilience also involves taking care of your physical well-being. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate sleep can significantly boost your resilience. Resilience is not just about surviving but thriving in the face of adversity. It's about emerging stronger, wiser, and more capable after each challenge. Now, how about some resilience training? Do you speak to yourself as you would to a friend? This question might seem simple, yet it holds profound implications. Why? Because it's about positive affirmations, a powerful tool that can shape our mindset and behaviors. Positive affirmations are statements that we repeatedly tell ourselves to foster a positive mental attitude. They're like self-scripted pep talks designed to replace negative self-talk with optimistic thoughts. It's like having an inner cheerleader, always there to motivate and support you. Imagine standing in front of a mirror, looking yourself in the eye, and stating, I am capable. These 3 simple words can have a profound impact. They're not just words. They're a declaration of belief in your abilities, a statement of faith in your potential. Now consider the affirmation, I attract positivity. This statement is all about cultivating a mindset that draws positive experiences, people, and opportunities into your life. It's like a magnet, pulling in all the good vibes around you. But how do positive affirmations work? Well, they're based on the principles of neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections. When we repeat positive affirmations, we're essentially rewiring our brains to think positively, thereby influencing our behaviors and actions. Positive affirmations are not magic spells. They don't instantly transform reality. However, they do have the power to change our perception of reality. They can help us see challenges as opportunities, failures as stepping stones, and dreams as achievable goals. One thing to remember is that for affirmations to work, they need to be personal, positive, and present tense. It's not about wishful thinking. It's about believing in the power of now, the power of I am. So go ahead, give it a try. Look into the mirror and tell yourself, I am strong, I am resilient, I am enough. Feel the words resonate within you, shifting your mindset, transforming your reality. Remember, the words you speak to yourself are the most powerful words you will ever hear. So make them positive, make them empowering, and most importantly, make them count. When was the last time you experienced the joy of giving? Let's take a moment to ponder this. The act of giving is a powerful tool that not only benefits the receiver but also enriches the giver. Generosity, you see, is a two-way street. It's a beautiful cycle that fosters connection, compassion, and a sense of community. It's not just about material donations either. Giving can take many forms. Perhaps it's volunteering your time at a local charity. Maybe it's lending a listening ear to a friend in need or helping a neighbor with their groceries. These acts of kindness ripple outwards, creating a cascade of positivity and goodwill. And it's not just a feel-good factor. Scientific research suggests that giving can boost our mental and emotional health, increasing our overall happiness and life satisfaction. So, why not incorporate these acts of generosity into your daily life? Remember, giving is not just about making a donation, it's about making a difference. So how will you use these insights to transform your life? As we wrap up, let's quickly recap what we've explored together. We've delved into the profound impact of asking the right questions and how this simple act can unlock new pathways to growth. We've reflected on the art of gratitude and how this practice can enrich our lives in ways we might not even realize yet. We've discussed the strength that comes from resilience and how it can be our guiding light during challenging times. We've also looked at the power of positive affirmations, a tool that can help us reshape our reality and cultivate a more optimistic outlook. Lastly, we've touched upon the joy of giving, an act that nourishes not only those we help but also our own souls. These are not just ideas but practical tools you can use to empower and energize your life. Remember, the power to change your life lies within you. So start today and watch as your life transforms.